Hey my daisies. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the local self-care queen. Just living life, doing life with you. So today it is another vlog, of course. Girl, were you even wondering it's another vlog? I'm not sure if this can, like, today I'm wearing a cap. Yeah, you guys haven't seen the sporty tans. Like, I'm sporty too. So today we are gonna be doing this nice vlog. It's basically spend the day with me. I'm going out to go buy skincare and some, I think I need toilet papers. Yeah, toilet papers too. But then mostly the reason why I'm going out, I need skincare. I'm out of my Portia am serum, and can't be a self-care queen without serum. So basically I'm gonna be that girl who's going out to go buy serum, and I hate going shopping during the weekend. I just prefer, like, really after work I just do chup, I get the stuff, I come back. But then I felt like this could be content. This is content. Like, I need it to be with you. Why am I speaking like Nelson Mandela? Why? Ask me. Put that meaning butele bangati. Stupid AF. So basically, yeah, and of course I did share my morning routine with you guys, and I am consistent with my working out. I did not include the working out because I don't want it to be repetitive. If you're interested on my working out, just comment down below. Please remember to like, share, dislike, whatever. Girl, give your girl some engagement. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. If you're new, welcome. Wamuge legile gule channel le. So let's make these things pop. Let's pop some ish. So I'm done getting dressed. I just wanted to do like a little aesthetic get dressed with me. So today I did tell you that we're going to go buy skincare. I already have my sunscreen on. It's literally plastered. So today I'm wearing a cap. I just wanted to do like a quick outfit check. I've already done, like, you've seen me getting dressed. This top is from Cotton On. The slouch jeans are from Factory, and the shoes, as you guys saw, are from Zara. So on to from Cotton On. The earrings are from, what's that place? What's College Spring? They're from College Springs. And those rings are from Shein. I was thinking about putting something on my wrist, but I don't have any silver jewelry and I don't want it to clash with the rings that I already have. So guys, so this is like a cherry pop that cherry, up the cherry. So I'm gonna get my bag. I'm not gonna have anything much on my bag. I'm just gonna have my cards, my phones, and of course my pepper spray. I don't go anywhere without my pepper spray. I don't know, I feel like I need to up my class. Let's do that right now, and then we can request for an Uber and let's go get some skincare, you know. But the skin is looking good nowadays. Like, do you see this? Do y'all see this? I'm like brown skin. Basically, I'm gonna add a little shine on my lips. I'm not sure, I'm just adding it for the vlogging. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take my mask off or if I'm gonna put it on, but then I prefer wearing my mask. I don't know, I don't trust the things. This gloss is extra volume extreme shine by Essence. Like, I feel like every girl knows this lip gloss. If you're South African, let me tell you, every Tom, Dick and Harry has this. So I have my bag right here. This is my cute little bag. This bag is from Zara, no longer available. It's literally like a mini sports bag. Louis Vuitton has like the literally the same, but then the Louis Vuitton, I think it's the same size, I'm not sure. So basically I have my shopping bag and my wallet. Ain't this so cute? This is from Foschini. It was like literally $100 and I was just like, oh my god. And then I have my pepper spray, which I kept with me everywhere I go. And then I have my mask, and I have my other phone that I'm not going to show you because it's ghetto AF. So I'm gonna be wearing my loafers. So let me just request and then we can vamos. Yeah. This is the road that I'm looking for. Oh my god, I'm losing myself. I hate shopping unless it's for clothes. Where? Sunlight green bars. How about that? Focus. Hey my love, so I'm back and the lighting looks terrible this side. So basically we just got this little bag and the toilet papers, and it literally costs an arm and a leg. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna try sanitize because I'm hungry, and I wanna make something to eat. Obviously we're gonna be making lunch together. I got like did it open? It's open. I got like panty liners and what's wrong? Oh no, Terry, I'm not sure. When I get close, he just stops what he's doing. So I got some panty liners and pads, and make sure that this is the right one. And I got some new shower gel. So next week we are definitely doing a self-care video. This is Lux Botanics shower gel. We're gonna talk about this next week. And I topped up on my sunscreen, of course, and I saw this one, which is the Vaseline Dry Intensive Care. Yeah, and I got myself another puffer. Got all of this 3 for 2. I got 2 for 3. It's actually more. I should have just bought one and just saved my life because everything was just so expensive. And then I was out of toner. This is the toner that I use from Portia Am, the sensitive skin one. I didn't use anyone else. And this hand lotion is amazing. I'm trying to get it to focus. Hand and nail cream. It's for firming and anti-aging, and of course what we went there for the serum. And I got this nail polish. Apparently it doesn't chip and it lasts for up to 4 days, Assy. And I decided to get this color because I didn't want to get something plain. When I believe in it, I'm gonna get something plain like white because I literally love white nails. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sanitize all of this, and then we are gonna go make lunch and close off this vlog because your girl. Hey guys, so we are in the kitchen now. That's literally where we usually end off our day. So what I'm gonna do, we are gonna be making lunch. I'm gonna make a homemade burger. I forgot to buy mustard. I should have bought mustard. You guys are a bit yeah, I forgot to buy mustard. I wanted to buy mustard to use as the burger sauce, but what will I use as a burger sauce? Oh, I have Nando's hot sauce, so I'll basically use that. So let's get ready for the lunching. I'm not gonna be like wasting any more of your time. I think I'm gonna tie this here because girl, it's all over the place. So I already have the burger in the pan. This is what the burger looks like. It's basically a beef burger. It has a bit of pork for the fats and stuff. It has like whatever. I bought it from the butcher. It's one of the best burgers I've ever tasted in my life. Okay, let's I'm actually sipping on my nice coconut water here. so this is the end of the vlog. I'm ending it right here. I'd like to say thank you to the newbies, thank you to the consistent OGs, to the people who have been, like, if you're returning subscribers, to all my returning subscribers, and all of the channel I found it. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that you feel like, oh, I'm gonna cry. Anyway, thank you so much. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye.